Imagine this, you're cruising down a scenic highway at 100 mph, but instead of a cramped car, you're inside a rolling 5-star palace with a rooftop terrace, a private garage for your Ferrari, and 1,000 horsepower under your feet. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a dream. This is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Concept, the most insane luxury RV ever imagined. Today, we're diving deep into the beast. Buckle up, because this video is going to blow your mind. Exterior design breakdown, slow cinematic pan over the image you provided. Front, side, wheels, logos. Look at this monster. Painted in that signature Ferrari Rosso Corsa red, this double-decker beast is over 40 feet long and stands tall like a supercar that grew wings. The front end screams Ferrari, aggressive LED headlights, massive air intakes, and that iconic Prancing Horse badge proudly displayed on the nose and sides. The body is sculpted from lightweight carbon fiber and aerospace-grade composites, giving it an aerodynamic shape that cuts through the wind like a la Ferrari. Those massive wheels, 24-inch forged alloys with red accents and yellow center locks, exactly like you'd find on a Ferrari SF90 or 812 Superfast. And check out those side steps that unfold like a private jet staircase. The upper deck even has a huge panoramic glass section that lifts up, turning the roof into an open-air lounge. This isn't just a motor home, this is a mobile supercar villa. Performance and powertrain, engine sound effects, acceleration clips, hybrid animations. Now the real question, can this thing actually move? According to the concept specs making rounds, yes. Under that long hood sits a hybrid powertrain inspired by Ferrari's latest hypercars, a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 combined with 3 electric motors, delivering a total of nearly 1,000 horsepower and over 800 lb-ft of torque, 0 to 60 mph in just 4.2 seconds, faster than most sports cars. Even though this thing weighs over 20 tons, top speed is electronically limited to 130 mph for safety, but in track mode it feels like you're piloting a Formula 1 support vehicle. It has 4 driving modes: Eco for long highway runs, Comfort for relaxed cruising, Sport for spirited drives, and Full Track mode that lowers the suspension, sharpens throttle response, and even adjusts the active aerodynamics. The all-wheel drive system with torque vectoring keeps this giant stable even in tight mountain corners. Fuel efficiency around 15-18 mpg thanks to the hybrid system, impressive for something this size. Interior tour, lower deck, interior renders or AI-generated walkthrough footage. Let's step inside. As soon as you walk up those illuminated stairs, you're greeted by a lobby that feels like a Ferrari showroom. Hand-stitched it. Alien leather seats, carbon fiber trim everywhere, and ambient lighting in Rosso and Giallo. The kitchen is fully equipped with meal appliances, a wine fridge stocked with fine Italian vintages, and a marble countertop. The dining area seats 8 in luxury captain's chairs that swivel and recline. There's a master bedroom suite at the rear with a king-size bed, 4K OLED TV that rises from the floor, and a bathroom with rain shower and heated marble floors. Hidden behind a carbon panel is a small garage that can fit a Ferrari SF90 Spider or 2 superbikes. Yes, you read that right. This motorhome carries its own supercars. Upper deck and luxury features drone shots of upper-level rooftop terrace. Now we head upstairs. The entire upper deck is a floating lounge with panoramic windows offering 360-degree views. Plush sofas, a full bar with crystal glasses, a 85-inch theater screen, and even a small gym corner with Peloton-style equipment. The highlight, the retractable rooftop terrace. Press a button and the roof opens up to reveal an outdoor deck with sun loungers, a jacuzzi, and a fire pit for stargazing. Imagine sipping champagne while watching the sunset over the Alps. Pure billionaire vibes, tech-wise. It's loaded. Level 4 autonomous driving, AI voice assistant with Ferrari personality, Starlink internet, and a climate system that can keep the entire coach at perfect temperature, even in -20 degrees C, plus 50 degrees C deserts. Solar panels on the roof generate enough power to run the AC and lights off. Grid for days. Who is this for? Price and reality check. Price graphic, billionaire lifestyle montage. So how much would this rolling palace cost? Concept leaks suggest a price tag between $3.5 million to $5 million depending on customization. That puts it in the same league as a Bugatti Chiron or a private jet. Who buys this? Formula 1 drivers, tech billionaires, Hollywood celebrities, or anyone who wants to travel the world without ever leaving luxury behind. Think of it as a yacht, but on land and way faster. Is it practical? For most people, no. But as a statement of ultimate freedom and engineering excellence, absolutely yes. Pros, cons, and final thoughts. Quick bullet graphics. Pros: mind-blowing design and Ferrari DNA, insane performance for its size, unmatched luxury and features perfect for long-distance grand touring. Cons: extremely expensive, huge size means parking and fuel challenges, still just a concept. No official confirmation from Ferrari yet, but let's be honest, even if Ferrari never builds it, the concept has already won the internet. It proves that the future of luxury travel isn't just about speed. It's about living your best life while moving at speed. What do you think? Would you take a cross-country trip in this Ferrari motorhome? Drop your answer in the comments, team yes or team no. If you loved this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more insane car concepts, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, stay fast, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao. End screen. Subscribe. Related videos. Word count 1198. This script is ready to record, energetic, detailed, and perfectly matched to the viral image you shared. It flows naturally for if you want any changes, longer/shorter, more technical specs, Urdu/Hinglish version, or add specific calls to action, just tell me. Rocket.